Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Your one-stop destination for decoding the fascinating world of health, medicine, and biology. Today, we're diving into a mesmerizing topic from plant science morphology of flowering plants, where we'll discuss two essential concepts, inflorescence and fruit. Let's explore the intricate beauty of flowers and fruits together. First up, inflorescence. So, what exactly is it? Well, a flower is not just a random structure, it's a modified shoot. Think of it as the shoot apical meristem, the growth region at the tip of a stem, changing into a floral meristem, which means its job shifts to producing flowers instead of leaves. Fascinating, right? Now, when this shoot tip transforms into a flower, the arrangement of flowers along the floral axis is what we call inflorescence. Depending on how this axis behaves, there are two main types of inflorescences. Racemose and Cymose. Let's break them down. In racemose inflorescence, the main axis keeps growing indefinitely, and the flowers are produced laterally in an acropetal succession. This means the older flowers are at the base, and the younger ones bloom at the top. You can spot this type in plants like mustard, radish, and lupin. Cool, right? Some common subtypes of racemose include raceme, as seen in radish. Spike, found in grasses where flowers are directly attached to the main axis. Catkin, think of mulberry with dangling clusters. Umbel, a compact cluster like in coriander. Capitulum sunflowers take the crown here, where tiny florets are packed into a disc-like structure. Now let's talk about cymose inflorescence. Here, the main axis has a more defined purpose. It terminates in a flower. Because of this, growth is limited, and flowers bloom in a basipetal order. That's a fancy way of saying the oldest flowers are at the top, and the younger ones grow below. You'll notice this in plants like jasmine, dianthus, and ixora. Cymose inflorescences also have some variations, uniparous or monocaseal chyme, where only one branch develops, seen in hyptage. Then there's biparous, or dicaseal cyme, where two branches grow simultaneously, as in jasmine. And finally, multiparous cyme, with multiple branches, like in calotropis. Amazing, isn't it? The intricate arrangements in nature are mind-blowing. Now that we've covered inflorescence, let's move to another masterpiece of nature, the fruit. Fruits are unique to flowering plants. Essentially, a fruit is a ripened ovary formed after fertilization. But here's an interesting twist. Sometimes fruits form even without fertilization. These are called parthenocarpic fruits. A common example? Banana. Generally, a fruit has two main components, the pericarp, or fruit wall, and the seeds, which are the matured ovules. The pericarp itself can be either dry, like in pea pods, or fleshy, like in mango or tomato. When the pericarp is fleshy, it's divided into three layers. Epicarp, the thin outer skin, mesocarp, the fleshy, edible middle layer, and endocarp, the inner hard or stony layers. Examples, mango and coconut. Let's look at two fruits, mango and coconut, both classified as drupes. In mango, the epicarp forms the skin, the mesocarp is the juicy edible part, and the endocarp is the hard, stony layer protecting the seed. In coconut, the mesocarp isn't juicy, it's fibrous, which is why it's used for making ropes. The edible part is the seed, surrounded by a hard shell, which is the endocarp. To wrap it up, here's a quick overview of fruit types. Simple fruits, which develop from a single ovary, like mango or pea. Aggregate fruits, formed from multiple ovaries of a single flower, like strawberries. Multiple fruits which develop from a cluster of flowers like pineapple. Isn't it amazing how much complexity and beauty are packed into something as simple as flowers and fruits? Next time you bite into a mango or see a sunflower, remember the fascinating science behind it. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget, your one like, share, and subscribe helps us bring more valuable content straight to you. Stay curious, stay informed. Until next time, this is Knowledge Chronicle, signing off.